Hello everyone. Alright, so let's jump right into it. What is an activity? So an activity is an Android activity. Basically is one screen on the Android app's user interface. In that way, an Android activity is very similar to a window or to a desktop application. An Android app may contain one or more activities. Basically, all the things you do on your mobile phone or each screen on your mobile phone is an activity. Alright, so basically there's an Android and mobile application development, specifically Android. There is something called the Android Activity Lifecycle. Now, the Android Activity Lifecycle is controlled by 7 methods, of the Android App Activity class. Now, if you're not familiar with this kind of talk, I'll advise you enroll for my Introduction to Java course here on cbtline.net. So you'll get a better understanding of what a class is, what methods are, and every other major Java concept necessary as a prerequisite to this course. Alright, now Android Activity Lifecycle is controlled by 7 methods of the Android App Activity class. So an Android activity is a single screen in Android. It's like a Windows or a frame of Java. So by the help of an activity, you can place your UI components or widgets in a single screen. Now, the activity lifecycle looks somewhat like this. Alright, so here you have the onCreate method. Now, if we go back to the last app we just designed, you can see in our main method we have our good old onCreate. So let's go back to, give me a minute here, PowerPoint slide. So we have the onCreate method. Now, the onCreate method, we get to the onStart and the onResume. Now, these methods are not necessarily what are run when you run the application. So you have the onCreate method, then once the application is running, you pass through these 2 methods. Then if you leave your screen, you get to the pause. If you stop, you go to the onStop, and then you have the onDestroy. Then on pause can lead back to onCreate, onStart, and then onStart can lead to your onResume, which then goes to your application being run, the activity being run. So this basically is the Android activity lifecycle. And as we move on in our training, and as you proceed in your knowledge, you get to understand many of these methods. Alright guys, so we'll continue in our next clip. See you soon. Bye.